Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side, and here we are with one more problem on limits. It is limit x tending to 1, x plus x square plus x cube minus 3 divided by x minus 1. An interesting problem from limits. So, as always, the first thing we'll do is to check the form. So if you put x as 1, you will get 3 minus 3. So 0 in numerator and 1 minus 1, a 0 in denominator. So 0 by 0 form. Fine. Now, how to solve this? What I can do, because I can remember one formula. The formula is limit x tending to a x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a is n a power n minus 1. Okay, so let's make some arrangement for this formula to be used. So limit x tending to 1. I am writing this minus 3 as minus 1 and minus 1. So that can be written as x minus 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x cube minus 1. So the same minus 1 which was there, minus 3, has now been written as minus 1 and minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Fine. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is x power 1, this is 1 power 1. X power 2, 1 power 2 is same as 1 power 1, and x power 3, 1 can also be written as 1 power 3. So now if I separate them, so limit x tending to 1, x power 1 minus 1 power 1 divided by x minus 1 plus limit x tending to 1, x power 2 minus 1 power 2 divided by x minus 1 plus limit x tending to 1, x power 3 minus 1 power 3 divided by x minus 1. Is it true? This is the basic algebra of limits. We can do this. Now, here x tending to a is 1, x power 1, x power n, and here is 1. A here is 1. So we can directly write n a power n minus 1. Similarly, for the second one, n is 2, a is again 1. So I can write n a power n minus 1. For the third one, n is 3, a is again 1. So n a power n minus 1. And we have a plus sign, so add them. So 1 into 1 power 0, that is 1 only. From here you are getting 1 into 1 power 1. Sorry, 2 into 1 power 1. So 2. Here 3 into whatever power of 1 is there, that will give you 1 only, so 3. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 is what you are getting as your final answer. So look how easy it was. Just you need to make some adjustment initially in the problem. In this form, limit x tending to a, x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a is n a power n minus 1. I think for the first time I'm using this. We'll solve more problem as we go ahead in this playlist. You can watch on the playlist named limits. There you'll find more such problems as time passes by. So this was one such problem which I took. Also I want to say one thing, that we can solve this problem by L'Hopital rule also, because 0 by 0 form is there. So if I use L'Hopital rule, L hospital, whatever you say. So what we do there, we differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So derivative of x is 1, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x cube is 3x square, and derivative of minus 3 is 0. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of minus 1 is 0. Now if you try to put 1, there will be absolutely no problem. So you will get 1 plus 2 plus 3. You will get 6 from there also. So you might find that easier. Sometimes we forget this formula, but this is a very, very important formula for limits. So please don't forget this formula. This will help you in a lot of problem. Apart from the basic formulas like limit x tending to 0 sine x by x equals to 1, or limit x tending to 0 tan x by x equals to 1, this formula is also going to be handy at times. What we did, we just broke this minus 3 into 3 parts, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. Then we separated, because we can separate, plus sign is there, so we can easily separate into 3 limits. Each of these limits we use the formula n a power n minus 1. So this one gave us 1, this one gave us 2, this one gave us 3, and we finally got 6 as our final answer. So not a big deal to solve this type of problems. For more such problem, you can definitely visit my playlist on YouTube, namely limits, where I have discussed forms like rationalization, then I have discussed by factorization also. Then I have discussed trigonometric limits also. Then I will now discuss problems based on this formula also. If you want more problems on this first 3 types, then please do comment. I will try to upload more and more problems, so you get more familiar with these topics as you will study limits. So that's it from my side. Thanks and have a nice day.